children, today we are going to start with chapter number 6, that is the soil of India. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the different soils. We have alluvial soil, right, sandy soil, red soil. These are the different types of soil. So let's study about the soil. How is soil formed? Soil is formed by breaking up of rocks and decayed organic matter, decayed plants, waste from animals. Like if we talk about, like we have dung from organic matter. Over thousands of years, soil has been spread over the land through natural forces like wind, rain and flood. If we talk about soil, it is one of the most important natural resource because it is the medium for growing the crop as well as natural vegetation. So what India possesses? India possesses large variety of soil. Let's study about the different kinds of soil. Soil vary from place to place. If you are going from one place to another, you will see that the soil varies from one place to place. In some places, you will find alluvial soil, in some places black soil, red soil or laterite soil. First is alluvial soil. What it consists of? It consists of fine silt transported by river from the mountain and deposited in the plains. It is very fertile soil found chiefly in the plains of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and some parts of Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. Then we have red soil. Red soil, it is made up of what? It is made up of crystalline rock containing iron oxide. What it gives you? It gives you a red color, right? It differs in colors and in depth and fertility. It is found in the places like, which is just found like Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and southern part of Uttar Pradesh. It is less fertile and it is suited for growing groundnuts, millets, we have jowar and bajra and pulses. Next is laterite soil. If we talk about laterite soil, where it develops? It develops in humid tropical region and it is reddish brown in color. It has little power. बहुत कम power होती है इसके पास to retain moisture. It is adversely affected by bleaching process and where it is found? It is found in the region where there is heavy rainfall like in Western Ghats, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Odisha, your Meghalaya and Tamil Nadu. These are the places where you will see the laterite soil. Next, we have black soil, which is also called lava soil, and it is also known as cotton soil. It is the only soil in which cotton is grown. It is made up of volcanic rocks. It retains moisture for a long time during dry season. If we talk about what it do, it develops are deep cracks. आपको deep cracks देखने को मिलेंगे, and it is found in Maharashtra and part of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. And cotton, it grows well in this soil. And what it is also known as Rehur soil at some places. If we talk about some places, it is also known as Rehur soil. Desert soil contains rich quantity of soluble salt. It is sandy and deficient in humus content and nitrogen. Where it is found? It is found in Rajasthan. Next, we have mountain soil. Where is mountain soil found? In the Himalayan region. And the soil is still in the process of making it is suitable for what? Cultivation of fruits. Here you will see that there is a large cultivation of fruits inside because large variety of soil, this is hardly any crop which does not grow in the country. Let's talk about soil erosion and conservation. So if we talk about soil erosion and conservation, soil is the only layer on the land surface. Top layer of the soil is more fertile. Rainwater and strong winds carry away topsoil. This is called soil erosion. Next is deforestation and overgrazing. There are also major causes of soil erosion and what it reduces fertility of the soil. Therefore, what it needs to be prevented. आपको इसको prevent भी करना है. Now, the following measure must be taken to conserve the soil. Cutting down of trees should be controlled. More trees should be planted, especially along the hill slopes and in dry area. Terraced farming should be adopted on the hilly slope. आपको कैसी farming करनी है? Terrace farming, right? Small bunds should be built around the fields. आप देखेंगे छोटे छोटे जो bunds होते हैं उनको आपको build करना है around the fields, right? This is all in this chapter. Now, our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.